श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, जय नवद्वीप धाम की जय, धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, धामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, अनंत अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे। God is merciful, Guru Padma, and unlimited merciful, all glorify God, family members, Vaishnavas, sadhus and bhaktas. They are very kind for us. Without any condition, they are helpful and they are giving us on mercy and grace. They know this is not accepting jiva, therefore they are making his program. Like the Goswami writing, Sat Krishnama Sita Pavidya Nor Jiganu Kintu Adarat Undinam Krushe Vidushta Sadgata Ridam Ulantri Kramat Bhavati. Like anybody has jaundice, they have no taste for any food. Everything eating, that is bitterness. Liver not working. Then body, all blood is become water. And they weak. After they not feeling it well, after they suffering too much. Similar, Mahadev is this. All property, all gift and presentation for people is very greedy. Yesterday's question is come, why is Indian people is like is poor? And then poor person is worshipping and bhajan and doing God and praying God near all times, but God not giving us anything. And there is poor. But I know like and criticizing, and things telling. But as it is speaking time, something is coming here, there too. Salt and pickle and chili and bitterness. But this is not my view and vision, not my activity, not my mood, not anything. I cannot insulting and torture anything is hating. What is here is saying? In this world, Mahadev presentation, lot of people is taking and collecting, then thinking I am wealthy and healthy. But after that, like people is taking too much foods and then liver not working. And then jaundice, disease, and also then body has lot of blood sugar, many disease. So Rupa Goswami writing, Sat Krishnama Sitapa Vidya Nor Jikanu. Krishnam for no taste, God for no any desire, and soul, pure soul, who am I, therefore never researching, all time body feeling. Every morning, this whole inside is morning to evening, pushing, and after passing. This is business, this is work, this is all government, all in country, only this business purpose is there is teaching and economics, civics, biology, scientists, science and many engineering, many contract they taking. Only for body maintain for. But they don't know soul. They have no faith. Any religion, any caste, any social helper, they have no knowledge and idea. They say soul has nothing, zero. And pure soul, this is nothing. They have many church, mosque, many temple, so-called, but they are no any deities. They have no faith. They not believe this. They say Jiv Seva, Shiv Seva. Daridra, Narayan. All front of your many Narayan. What are you finding and what is going? And this worshipping in you, this stone, wood, what is helping in you? Roti dilate Ram, Ram chanting, then roti is coming, bread is coming. God give me bread and butter, otherwise he is great cheater. God giving room and home, then he is all are very close to. Otherwise, I can believe this. So this health exercise, this is for and health feeding for all are as now nature, desire, culture, activity, this is running. But they cannot control. Little later, the stomach not working, brain not working, heart not working, and sometime after old age is coming, they are protecting. Face is ugly, then giving plastic surgery. For how long? Blood has allergy, then what giving medicine? Nothing, food is digest. What they doing? How can they helping? One leg is septic and gangrene. After cutting, giving new legs. But working? Eyes is gone, and what they giving? Any body parts, God gave, they try to repairing and maintaining. This is called seva, service. One shoes is broken, and then shoes maker repairing. But he has no life, then he more for you, repairing and not working. Similarly, this body God gave, but body maintenance, this is not called everything. They have no faith for soul. Therefore, this body also all time is painful. Very. This body, how is with us? This is hell. And this hell inside is soul is present. Prison inside is prisoner. Now this body part all time giving pain and punishment for this soul. Here is breaking, here is boils, here is hole, here is many things. Day and night this prisoner like punishment giving more than this soul for these bodies, maintainers and bodies, makers, their punishment coming, the suffering. This is not thinking, this is helpful. This is called hellish plant, Shiva plant. This service is not everything. Therefore, Rupa Goswami Prabhu writing, Sat Krishnama Sitapa Vidya. That Krishnam no Ruchikanu. Krishnam for God holy name for bhajan for soul purpose, pure soul purpose. No time, no desire, no taste, no. I am thinking this is valued. Why? Ignorance, jiva. They are attached within this body. Senses with attachment. There is thinking he is my own good friend. Life to life there is habitual practice. Natural now. Therefore reading Jaiva Dharma. Anitya Dharma, Naimitik Dharma, Nitya Dharma. Reading Jaiva Dharma, then Bhaktivinoda Thakur explaining everything. Now saying, how can this taste is coming for Harinam? God holy name for, chanting for, relation for. How? Then say, Kintu Adarat Unudinam. Every day you practicing and try to chanting and every day praying. And after your jaundice, like disease is going, then taste is coming and strength coming and eating for desire coming, digest for coming. Similar, I am very far away to this pure soul. God near, how can going? Therefore, this process, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving, okay, every day you calling and praying this God holy name. But I have no faith for this name. Then what doing? Faith, no faith. No Dishaya Niyamastasmi, no Kala Niyamastata. No Chitra Granadu, Tannama Granadivi. No time, no auspiciousness, no eating time, sleeping time, walking time, watching time, moving time. Any time you chanting and praying. Sankirtam, Purihasam, Stubanam, Heranam, Vibhava. Asisa, Tannam Gramani, Asisa, Agaharanam Vidu. Muduram, Muduram, Metat, Mangalam, Mangalanam, Sakalanigam, Satpalam, Chitsurpam. Sokridapi Porigitam Swadhyaya Helava Brigumar Naramatram Tareto Krishnamam. This Krishnam, sweet to sweet. And everybody is helpful. And everybody is for this is only medicine, only diet, only everything. But ignorance people, another name chanting, another things with make relation, but they don't know this is temporary, this is not is permanent. Also this is very painful. I cannot chanting this holy name, God with no relation, I am not praying is near, I am going distance to distance, far away to far away, more far away. They are like dry and desert place. There I am suffering and punishment is coming many too much. Why? I am now, God gives everything, God is giving chances, God helping come, help is coming, but I cannot accept. I am, His all mercy and grace, all protection, everything, I am like this. Taking, but I am not giving, respecting, not believing, not giving him respect, and not I like him. Then this Mahadevi smashing them. Therefore, Sadhako, Prabhu said to giving order, every day this Harinam, be carefully, it is chanting. Adarad Onudina every day, Nirbandha Krishna Samandhi. All time Nirbandhini Mati, Anasukti Subhishan, Jataram Pujundato, Nirbandha Krishna Samandhi Yuktam Vedagamuchatu. Anurag, how can come in? Virag meaning Vishesh, Rag, Anurag, love within God. How can come in? They say, Anasakti Subhishan, body maintenance for water, ether, fire, sky, air, anything is need, giving, but not with his attachment. His body is not his permanent, temporary, with me. This is one building like. Every day building maintaining, but I cannot cook, cannot eat. How long I am staying? My body is building, but soul is here present. Soul for not giving food, the body maintained after, this is not will be helpful. Therefore, soul purpose giving something, soul food. Food for life, giving indication, but I am giving is only rice and dal and water and ether and sky and fire. This is not his food for life. Food for life, life meanings, the soul is life. Soul is permanent and soul no eternal. The soul food not giving, then I am cheater. I am cheating soul, giving body food. This is not enough. This is not everything. Therefore, sadhaka, the soul, body for giving anything, pure soul, remanence, prasadam, and blissful, merciful, anything giving. Independently, this body purpose nothing giving. Giving then will be thief, will be cheater. I am soul, soul is weak, soul is sick, soul for nothing, but only body maintaining. One car washing, car cleaning, giving diesel, giving petrol, giving water, but driver not eating, then how can driving? So this soul for you not giving anything, only maintaining body, body maker, body builder. How long the body will be with you? And how will be helpful? Soul is weak, then body will be more weak. Like giving example, one person mind is crazy and he is suffering, he not happy, then body automatically will be sick and weak. Person is happy, this body will there, no need. Body is automatically will be pleased and happy. Not soul, this body is nothing. Body is dead body then. So that soul for why not I am doing any business? My Goswami, Guru Varga, mostly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is saying this, don't follow too much this body. And not missing your time, not wasting time for this body. Therefore, 56 দণ্ড রাত্রি দিনে না জানে রাধা গোবিন্দ বিনে, 4 দণ্ড সুতি থাকে স্বপ্নে রাধা গোবিন্দ দেখে। My Goswami are how doing bhajan? Sankhya purvaka nama gana notirvi kala vasane krito nidra hara vihara kadi vito chattanto দীনচজ হ্যাঁ রাধা কৃষ্ণ গুণস্মৃতির মধুরিমা আনন্দেন সম্মোহিত বন্দে রূপ সনাতন রঘুযুগ শ্রীজীব গোপালক now is 24 hours busy morning to evening body maintain for how serving working business this and that but this which purpose soul purpose pure soul purpose only body maintenance for what is purpose body builder but this is not is enough I am leaving this one next where going the soul is what doing then next his body is for everything I am giving but not thinking about soul therefore sadhu shastra guru giving this advice now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gone Gangadas Pandit school Vidyalaya who is taking Jagannath Mishra is watching Gangadas Pandit is very scholar, higher and superior authority. His school is gone. Gangadas Pandit meeting with his Nimai, Gaurahari, very happy, very pleased. He said, yes, now I am in this life, I am watching on good students. Very happy. He is trying to teaching him something. There are many students. Students are, Nimai is making good relation. Why? Nimai is very attractive. Nimai is first day looking, hearing, everything. After next day, he came and he is breaking all books, slate, pencil, import, all through. Then say this boy is outside is very fair face, very nice, but is very naughty. He is disturbing everybody. You are complaining to the here. Then first day, second day, Mahaprabhu say, these boys are not respecting you. They are disobeying you. You giving class, you giving lesson, they are not hearing. They are neglecting you. Writing is paper, pencil with this. So paper, pencil reading, paper, pencil will be qualified. Why they disobey? Why not is they accepting all brain? This brain has now many rubbish, many garbage. They are what they cannot accepting. They cannot hearing. They are now not practicing. How can I be accepting? No brain exercise they are doing. Then Gurudev say yes, but they are tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they are reading and learning. Say this is not is perfect. Today I am disobeying, neglecting. Next day more. My nature is going wrong way. Therefore, no need in books and anything. Mahaprabhu then calling all are. Okay, I am teaching. What teaching? Savidya tanmatir jaya. Paravidya. Se vidyar pal janiye nishchoy. Krishna padmadme jodi chitte mritya roy. Vidya means vidhatu janna. I cannot understanding. No, I am following. No realization coming. So what is the meaning of vidya? One avidya, one vidya. Mahaprabhu preaching. What is avidya? This mundane world, everything, and all relation, all affection, attraction, and this attachment. This is avidya. Now, Paravidya, teaching for Mahaprabhu starting. He is telling, Aparayamitasthanyam prakritim vidyame param jiva bhuta mahabhavo jayadam dharyate jagat. One Paravidya, one Aparavidya. What is good for us, what is bad for us? Mahaprabhu dividing and teaching. He is first day to helping everybody. They are Brother Pandit, Mukunda, Datta, and many other scholars. They are senior. They come in classes. Mahaprabhu asking, what is today you learn in Guru's near? He giving me answer. They give me answer, Mahaprabhu cutting. Mahaprabhu arguing. Hey, no understand Guru's meanings. fair mania after Mahaprabhu telling. Next, you understand? Next asking. No understanding? Next asking. Jiva is engaged within this Maya. They cannot crossing. Mahaprabhu not happy. Teaching. And after next, then Gangadhar Pandit is saying, really, you are very qualified. He is also involved and he is very happy. After Mahaprabhu, within Gangadhar Pandit, he is going there to nearby Champakotto. There, Champakotto Sakhi's Kunjakutir. She is making nice garden. Near Vrindadevi's this Tulsidanga and Kutirpara, there is nice Kunjakutir. All green garden, flower garden. Mahaprabhu say, Gangadhar Pandit, you are giving many classes, but you are not making all our heart is like yes, soft flower. No giving sweetness, only bitterness is not enough. She is making flower garden. He is Gangadhar Pandit decorating Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's work. Many types of this prasadam is arranging. Like afternoon time, Surya Kunda, Srimati Radharani within Sakhis arranging many programs. Thakur Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing Navadvip Bhaktaranga. There, before Jayadeva Goswami and Padmavati, they are worshiping Radha Madhav, writing this Gita Govinda. After Dijavarinnath, his next generation came and he is worshipping this Gaur Gadadhar. Gaur Gadadhar every day going there and after classes they discussing how making soft and sweet in Jiva's heart like flower. Good smell coming, good nature will be and sweetness all time they are near coming. Now Jiva is cruel, hard, bitter and he is himself he is not happy, all time suffering. Then Mahaprabhu touching, starting this his program. What program? Not only grammar, his all students with he is starting his Sankirtanam. He is closing all books and binding and tying. Say no, today too all are starting Kirtan program. They are complaining Gangadhar Pandit Niyar. Gurudev, Nimai not teaching us more. And he cannot teaching, all cannot learning, all cannot understanding, to not realization coming. He telling anything as it is. And after no understanding, next he is helping. He is giving very tasteful things. But he not teaching. He say now no more teaching, now starting Sankirtanam. Then what doing? Mahaprabhu's Niyar, Gangadhar Pandit not arguing. He say no. He know all our future, anything he is telling, follow all our. That Mahaprabhu, that time too, they start in Maha Sankirtanam. Where? In Navadvip Dham, 9 islands. He is going one Sakhis, this Kunja Kutir, 8 Kunja, no Vrindavan, this Radhavan. Everywhere start Kirtan and going and praying, they are near, oh, you giving bless for this Jiva. They will be qualified. Otherwise, this spiritual, this power, without Swarup Shakti, nobody giving. Maya Shakti giving Maya's power, Jiva devoted to Indian Maya, then there is attached within me this body and mind. Swarup Shakti is power coming, they are understanding soul and pure soul service. Therefore Mahaprabhu taking all students, not 1, 2, 1,000, million, one year within Mahaprabhu, all are scholar and qualified and they gone. One time Mahaprabhu gone is Bangladesh preaching for. They are Tapan Mishra, he saw dream. Oh, one Mahaprabhu is coming and he has question. What is sadhya and sadhana? Mahaprabhu there is giving very pure classes and sending, you go Varanasi. He is gone there. His son Raghunath Bhatta, Mahaprabhu say, you serving parents, they are Vaishnava, and after you coming mine here. Do this spiritual, this Swarup Shaktis, this power is coming, then people understanding. Then not people will be attached within this body and mind. Otherwise, this body is mind making servant and slave, million life. And serving them, then all are fallen down to down. Therefore is making hell and hellish plan. Not out of way in this world. Here, all jiva inside his body, this prison inside his staying and suffering. Cannot healing his will. Therefore is making hospital, more bad places. There is going, cutting, giving, digging, and giving knife, scissors, and all time is cutting and digging and pushing and injection, this and that. Why? Why this punishment come? Every day, bitter capsule. Why not tasteful the Charnamrita and Mahaprasad? Only for I am not following rule regulation, neglecting Shastra and Guru Varga. Therefore, India not poor. India and people not is bogus, this body and mind followers. Animal, this nature not they have. Animals, they are eating and fat and red and cat and mat. Then somebody cutting and eating. All are only bodybuilders. Then Maya Devi coming and offering. Whom? Bacteria, worms, germs. They coming and eating them. Very nice body, very sweet body. But soul followers never can following this rule regulations. Therefore, some are telling you, poor. They are poor. They are mad and crazy. Therefore, they tell you. But India not poor. India has this Vedic culture. And this culture following and over world, everybody will be happy. Living entity, conscious soul, all are crossing in this world and then going in eternal place, back to God and back to home. They are not then will be refugee, not suffering, but death and birth cycle inside is not moving. They are getting liberation. In this world, Agraha Mukti, Tabe hai Sarvabandhanas, Tabe se hoite pare Sri Krishna Das. First, in this world, you get liberation, give, renounce everything, and give up everything. No attachment. I came alone, going alone. Why I am making this relation with this mundane things? This is mine, this is mine, this is mine, everything. This is not his rule, regulation. Nobody taking any others, not one cloth and one needles. Taking sins and offense. Sukriti, Duskriti, Anartha, false ego, false pride, all result and fruit is coming and covering, making prarabdha and aprarabdha. That thing is carrying and going. And then next is birth is suffering and death birth cycle inside with this. How can crossing? Therefore it is movement. Mostly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement, Chaitanya means consciousness. Pure consciousness, Gaura is giving and he came. He is giving Krishna consciousness, Krishna Chaitanya. How coming Krishna's near, pure soul near, he is giving Jiva's consciousness. Therefore, starting classes, first Retu. End of day, 48 years, he is helping all Jivas. And he is now, his movement, his class, his all things is running. Therefore, all are very lucky. Came this world, mostly this Navadvip Dham, praying Chaitanya Chandra's near, to give us consciousness and Krishna consciousness. Then is all will be pleased and happy, understanding soul and soul knowledge coming and soul knowledge, soul following for taste coming, energy coming and power necessary. This power for going is Navadvip Dham, 9 islands and praying. Swarup Shaktis, helper, 8 most Sakhis and Manjaris, there is helpful. But there is Mahaprabhu's Leela, all are is human thing. Here is gentlemen like this, all gents, not ladies. But Mahaprabhu's 3.5 persons. 3 is Swargam Ramanandarai, and the side Sikhimaiti and Madhavi Devi half. Mahaprabhu all time discussing with them how the Jiva is giving source Shakti, power and strength and energy and taste and mercy. Jiva collecting Maya Shakti because hearing Maharaj say telling, worshipping Kali, Durga, Bhavani, Chandi, not worshipping Radharani and Brajdevis. They don't know, they have no knowledge. So Mahaprabhu distributing this knowledge. Therefore, good luck, good fortune came this Navadvip Dham. But understanding and then going the Holy Dham, then praying, much better. Not praying, nothing you understand, you stay in this Holy Dham, automatic Kirtan is running, automatic Mahaprasad running, automatic classes running. Anywhere, any word is coming, touching, this will be helpful. All these, life to life, all our disease, all Bhavarog will be finished. Therefore this Gaudi hospital, there is many doctor. They give you treatment. After treatment, all are will be strong. Then taste is coming. Therefore, now is 8 o'clock, tomorrow also program and parikrama. But tomorrow is, here also they are starting one program. This is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. 7:30 to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Then not possible is evening program. Then program is, I am thinking 5 to 6 evening only. 6, most 6:37 bus. After not possible. Therefore, everybody not will be disturbed, then is coming. 4:30, then half an hour kirtan after 5 o'clock to class. 5 to 6, more 6:30, 7 o'clock finish. Otherwise there is this songs is very strong. Big speaker, big program, Aul Baul Korta Koja, the Baul Songit. This, Nana Darbe Sai, Sojia Sotibeki Smartuzat Gusai. This is starting now. But this local program, you cannot avoid and cannot telling anything. This is not good. They have no resistance. Fighting is not good. Therefore, coming 4 o'clock, 4:30, then is 6 o'clock, 6:30, program finished, then going another program in temple.